Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use Roblox parental control. So if you want to use the parental control on your Roblox, especially maybe for your kids, here's a quick tip on how to get it done. The first thing you have to do is sign up to account pin, then go to settings. So when you get there, tap on account info, then set in a pin for added security. I just privacy security, go to settings, privacy and control who can contact, join and follow your child. So after that, go to security and choose the appropriate level of chat fleeting, which strict is recommended for young kids. After that, enable account restriction. Turn on the account restriction in settings to limit access to safe games. Monitor purchases. You can also review billings and settings and set limit to purchase in security. And also you can also turn off profile comment. If you want to do that, just set who can comment on my profile. Then after that, then select no one in privacy settings. Check the activities. If you want to check the activities, you can also check by go to regular reviews, your child's activities, and block users if necessary. So with these tips, I'm very sure you'll be able to fix or set up the parent control under Roblox. And that's it. If any video, like and follow for more. Thank you.